The bell tower and drum tower are the tallest ancient buildings on the Beijing Central Axis.
They used to serve as capital's center of timekeeping for over 600 years.
In this episode, we will take a deeper dive into the secrets of timekeeping culture
Of the bell tower and drum tower. Hi everyone, this is Diego here.
Hello guys, this is Angela, and today we're here at the northern part of the Central Axis.
Yeah, so you can see here there's a bell tower and a drum tower. Actually, have you noticed that, being this ancient, these buildings are pretty tall?
Oh yeah, you're right. Actually, on the Central Axis, they are the tallest ones.
Bingo! They are the
gotcha.
tallest. And the character Gao, which is for the tall or high, actually resembles this building.
Wait a second, you did some research, right?
Yeah.
It is a Gao, so it is written like, oh you're right.
Yes.
So should I call you Professor Diego?
Dr. Diego.
Dr. Diego. So I have a question.
Okay.
Like, why do these two towers are the tallest ones on the Central Axis?
According to my research, I don't know.
Take a look at my
We will find out.
Okay, so here's the task, right?
This is our task,
Okay,
and
so
look
what
at
do we,
that.
whoa, 2 cards today. We need to get 5 number cards by completing tasks and select 4 cards out of them and put them in correct position.
Then they will succeed and get the Chinese character Gao.
So let the adventure begin.
Let's go. Go. Oh.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling.
Let's take a break, okay? They're not saying anything. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 left. Ready? 7, 6, 5, 4.
Pretty tiring.
Yeah, a little bit out of breath.
Hello，两位主持人，上午好。钟鼓楼呢是在中轴线的最北端，已经有600来年的历史了。古代标准的北京时间其实都是通过钟鼓楼对外发布的。
听说您手里是有我们想要的东西。
没有这么简单。
哎呀
你们第一个任务，鼓楼的台阶一共有多少级呢？
老师，您为什么不刚才在楼下那边出现？
你们要不再走一遍？
Well, let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Do for real. Oh, come on.
Not my day today.
Wait. Okay, I'm going.
No, I really want to go,
Yeah,
no,
you're
I
right,
really
you're
want to
right.
go. Good luck.
Look, she's faking it. She's happy.
I will be waiting for you here.
一会儿见。
Oh my gosh. I'm happy for you. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. 23, 24, 25. What was it just now? 30. What was the number? 39, 40. 58, 59, and 60.
65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 69是对的吗？
就是的。
他爬完了，全部不知道为什么我在喘气。那为什么是69呢？
我们刚刚走上来的时候，先是一个60级的长的台阶嘛。
对
那这60级呢，其实代表的是一个甲子，是一个时间单位。我们把100年叫一个世纪嘛，那中国古代就把60年叫一个甲子啊。刚刚再转上来，最后那9级台阶呢，是9，在中国古代被认为是最大的数字，所以这个9就代表着至高无上的意思。对，恭喜你们
69
选收好，这是你们的
你要哪个
出席卡片。
Closer to the answer.
OK， 那我们先走了。
好的。
哎，这就能看到我们的这个
啊，这不就是中轴线吗？
中轴线
是吗
景山
景山公园，那边就应该是故宫，对吧？
对。Something is happening there.
Hey, yeah, they're doom. I think. 我们非常好奇，就这个表演它有讲究吗？
其实大家刚才可以听到它的轻重缓急，它的节奏变化是不一样的。
咚咚咚。
它其实是有春夏秋冬4个谱子的。
哦。
它反映的就是一个四季更替的这样一个自然现象。这里一共有25面鼓，这一面大鼓代表的是1年，然后它边上这24面小鼓呢，代表的是这1年里面的24个节气。
哦，
是这样的。
中国是有节气。
节气。
其实他们刚才在表演的过程当中，我觉得蛮有吸引力的。要是我们自己能上手试一下。
啊，对。
1楼有一个光影展区，那里面有一个击鼓的体验区，我们可以一起去看一看。那这里就是我们的击鼓体验区了。第2个小任务呢，需要2位主持人在这里面敲打出节奏，分数要超过56000分，然后就可以拿到另外2张数字卡片啦。
Oh, hurry one! Are you ready?
哇，还挺快的。Oh no, I missed.
No, how could you? Concentrate, concentrate.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, change.
Over.
耶！
恭喜你们完成了第2个挑战，这是你们的数字卡片。
Oh, there you go.
2和4。
Thank you. So we have 2 and 4, and together it's 24 solar turns.
Cool.
So now we have 4 cards,
And we have 1 left.
1 number left.
Yes.
So what should we do?
我们呢还有一个挑战是在哪里啊？
最后一个挑战就是这里啦。
And once again,
2
we
levels.
will go up and reach.
Oh, look at the bell. It's much bigger than I imagined.
那这个呢，就是钟楼的报时铜钟了，它有63吨重。
哇，
是中国现存体量最大、重量最重的古代铜钟，被称作是古钟之王。
古钟之王。
是的，是的。
那我很好奇，它这个时间是怎么报的呀？
是这样的，古人呢会把时间分为白天和晚上嘛，那晚上又会被平时分为5个等份，每份呢叫做1更，更就是大概现在的2个小时，这5个等份。第1更呢就叫定经，是现在的晚上7点到9点。然后人们还是会先听到鼓楼的敲鼓，然后再听到钟楼撞钟。人们听到钟鼓声以后呢，就知道下班了。
我们感觉钟鼓楼好像比其他的在中轴线的建筑要高一点，是吗？
哎，是这样的。钟鼓楼呢，其实是中轴线上最高的一组古代建筑了。当然建得高呢，也其实是为了更好的配合他们的这个报时的功能。我们可以看一下这个钟楼，你可以看到这4个方向其实是各有一个圈洞，那它们彼此就形成了一个十字形的空间，
通透的，
会形成一个更大的一个扩音器的效果啊，声音呢可以被传得更远。最后一个问题也是就是在这里了，那请2位主持人猜一下这个大钟有多高？
好，我以为是有多少台阶，你看这儿好数啊。这应该有3.5米，我觉得。
安泽觉得呢？
你觉得多少
？5米以内。
要再大一些，
再大一些，
再大一些。
6.88米。
其实这个钟呢，整个的高度是7.02米。
7米啊！
我就看不出来啊，
真的是就跟2、3层楼那么高。
是的，很大的一口钟。是的，那恭喜2位，你们完成了今天的最后一个挑战。
哎呀，
虽然有一张数字
打错了，这应该是鼓励我们。
谢谢。
7。We got the last number.
Ding ding, and we've got our numbers.
So we need to fill in the blanks. But man, this is difficult. What?
I know the answer.
She knows the answer.
Answer about 钟楼.
Oh, you saw it in introduction,
I'm so
right?
sorry.
What's the answer?
So 4,
4,
7,
7,
9.
So we know this one for sure.
100%. Yeah.
Okay.
So this one, what do you think about it? So we have 4, 6, and 2.
So I think
Jump
it was
tower.
a little lower, yeah? So maybe
4?
40?
Yeah, so now we need to choose between 2 and 6. 6, 2, 2, 6?
6.
6.
Go
Are you
for
sure?
6. Yes.
Sure?
Six
I will
is
listen to you.
It's always good.
Really sure?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay,
go.
so our final answer is 46.7 and 47.9. Is
Yes.
that the right answer?
Yay!
That's the card, our character.
Okay, so this is the character Gao, which stands for tall and high. And these buildings had to be tall so that the sound resonates all around the city so everybody could hear the sound and know what time it was.
Exactly. Well, although two of these towers are not used to announce the time anymore, but I still think that they symbolize the value of the time.
Yeah.
Because time actually is a kind of a social structure which we build to plan and schedule our lives.
Yes, and we need to value our lives and value our time.
Oh, look at the time, Diego.
What?
It's the end of our episode.
Oh, yep. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. That's it for this episode, and we hope that you liked this one. Please leave your like and subscribe.
And see you next
Next time.